This is day 184, and today we are looking at how to quickly copy a worksheet by dragging and dropping it. So previously we demonstrated how you can copy a worksheet using right click, then you go move or copy, which some people tend to forget how to do it. And especially in an interview, sometimes you forget where to go to and how to move or copy a worksheet, and you don't even know where to find that functionality. But the easiest tool that you can use, or the easiest way that you can move or copy a worksheet, is by dragging it and dropping it. So whilst you are pointing on your worksheet, you just click your control, then you drag the sheet and just put it where you want to put it. So you can quickly drag your worksheet wherever you want to put it. If you want to put it at the first, if you want to put it after sheet 3, if you want to put it at the end, you can sort of just drag it and drop it. You can also drag multiple sheets, but to drag multiple sheets, you have to release your control before you start dragging. So you just, once you select your worksheets, you select all the worksheets that you want to drag, then you release the control button, then you can drag them. Because if you are clicking the control button, it will think that you want to unselect, so it won't drag. So you have to first release the control button. If you have enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.